In a recent LinkedIn updates video, I mentioned LinkedIn's group identity targeting. If you missed that video, I will link it below. But today we're going to cover what group identity is in more depth and how to use it to your advantage. So first, let's answer the question, what is group identity? Group identity is a solution that preserves privacy while being purpose-built for the needs of B2B. If you've watched a handful of our update videos over the past couple years, then you know there has been a crackdown on user privacy in the digital world. A lot of the attention has surrounded Facebook and the iOS updates that made tracking user activity a lot harder. But those updates affected LinkedIn and every other social media ad platform too, not just Facebook. This is what LinkedIn says about group identity. As part of our commitment to protecting member privacy, LinkedIn is changing the way we approach identifying our ads audiences. Generally, we have been using individual identifiers to determine if a LinkedIn member has viewed or engaged with an ad. These identifiers include Google Ad ID on Android and first and third-party cookies on web browsers. We're building on our commitment to member privacy by introducing new privacy-enhancing approaches that establish consistent online professional identity across channels and devices. One of the ways we establish professional identity is group identity. Group identity helps us deliver ads and measure campaign conversions while minimizing or eliminating the use of third-party personal information on our servers. So how does group identity work? With group identity, LinkedIn says they apply privacy-enhancing methods to their first-party data to group members together. Groups are based on shared professional traits such as members' job titles, companies, industry, and more. Groups leverage their first-party targeting attributes to ensure that members of the group are similar. Group identity then determines how an ad can be served while minimizing personal information shared about a user across context. So basically, with group identity, you're trusting LinkedIn's algorithm to put your ads in front of the right people instead of choosing your audience through more specific, manually selected qualifiers. Now, I want to talk about how effective group identity has proven to be so far, but first let me mention really quickly that if you'd rather have a professional marketing agency just handle your B2B marketing for you, we do that for small businesses every day. And we ourselves are a B2B agency, so we know firsthand what it takes to build a B2B company from the ground up. So I'll put our contact link below in case you're interested in learning more about how we can skyrocket your growth via online marketing. All right, now LinkedIn said since introducing group identity last year, LinkedIn said they observed a 37% higher average click-through rate on group-delivered campaigns across channels compared to campaigns targeted at individual profile characteristics. While we're committed to continually investing in systems and technologies to improve the performance of group-based targeting, we're encouraged by the outcomes of testing and excited to now enable group identity across our entire portfolio. So LinkedIn is now expanding its group identity audience targeting option to all ad types, and they're hopeful it should generate better results for its B2B advertisers while still maintaining user privacy. So they're aiming for the best of both worlds with this. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.